Step into the world of modern medicine where the boundaries of what is possible are constantly being pushed. The convergence of technology and healthcare has propelled us to unprecedented heights, transforming the landscape of medicine as we know it. Gone are the days of a century ago when medical practices were confined to the limitations of their time. Today, diagnosis, treatment, and surgical procedures have advanced to such an extent that they almost border on the realm of science fiction. And standing at the forefront of these groundbreaking innovations is a testament to our progress, a technology known as bioprinting. Take a moment to imagine a world where you could order a new kidney, heart, lungs, or even a liver for transplantation with just a few clicks on your healthcare portal. This is a world that bioprinting opens up before us, where synthetic cells, tissues, and organs are brought to life through the art of 3D printing. But let's examine closer the intricacies of this remarkable technology. Bioprinting is a process that involves creating living tissue by precisely printing cells layer by layer using 3D printing technology. The resulting cells and tissues are not mere concepts, they're tangible creations that hold the potential to be transplanted into the human body. So how does bioprinting work? Picture a traditional 3D printer where materials are fed into the machine and deposited to create a structure. Bioprinting follows a similar principle, but with a far greater complexity. Instead of plastic or metal, biological materials such as living cells or biomaterials are used. These materials are then deposited with extraordinary precision, layer by layer, to form a functional and structural tissue or organ. Yet the process is far from simple. To better understand it, we can break it down into three fundamental steps. First, the cells of the tissue or organ to be printed are isolated and cultured in a laboratory setting. Then, a suitable biomaterial is chosen to provide the necessary support structure for the cells. Finally, the printer is loaded with the chosen biomaterial and cells, and it is programmed to deposit them in a specific pattern, layer by layer, until the desired tissue or organ is fabricated. The implications of bioprinting for the healthcare are truly mind-boggling. Medicine as we know it would be revolutionized in ways we can scarcely imagine. This technology has the potential to extend human life far beyond the boundaries of current healthcare capabilities. One of the key reasons why bioprinting holds such incredible promise for healthcare lies in its ability to create living tissue and organs for transplantation. This could reduce the need for donor organs and eliminate the risk of rejection, dramatically reducing waiting times for life-saving transplants. The use of immunosuppressive drugs to prevent rejection would no longer be necessary. Furthermore, bioprinted tissues can serve as invaluable tools for drug testing. They enable more accurate and efficient screening of potential drugs, leading to the development of more effective treatments. Researchers can test the safety and efficacy of new drugs on bioprinted tissues before advancing to an animal or human trials. As we ponder the potential of this transformative technology, it becomes evident that bioprinting may one day revolutionize the creation of personalized medical implants. Imagine prosthetic limbs tailor-made to meet an individual's specific needs. In 2019, researchers at Tel Aviv University made headlines when they successfully bioprinted a 3D heart using a patient's own cells. This groundbreaking achievement showcased the potential of bioprinting in the field of cardiac medicine. It hinted at a future where fully functional bioprinted hearts could be transplanted, changing the lives of countless individuals in need. Even in its early stages, bioprinting has demonstrated promise in animal studies. In a remarkable study, paralyzed rats regained the ability to walk again with the help of bioprinted spinal cord implants. This breakthrough holds the potential to revolutionize the treatment of spinal cord injuries in humans, offering new hope where there was once none. However, it's important to acknowledge that bioprinting faces its fair share of challenges. One of the most significant hurdles is ensuring that the printed tissue has a blood supply to sustain its viability. Researchers are actively working on incorporating blood vessels into bioprinted tissue, exploring techniques such as microfluidics that involve printing tiny channels capable of hosting blood vessels after the printing process. Ethical considerations also come into play with bioprinting. The potential for creating designer babies or achieving limited immortality raises important questions that researchers and policymakers must address as the technology progresses and becomes more accessible. In summary, bioprinting is a technology brimming with endless possibilities and promises that can revolutionize the face of medicine. With the ability to fabricate living tissue and organs, bioprinting paves the way for improved treatments, enhanced quality of life, and remarkable advancements in healthcare. Though obstacles lie ahead, the outlook for bioprinting is filled with optimism. How do you envision society adopting and embracing this technology? We invite you to share your thoughts and opinions in the comments section below. And remember to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more captivating content. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey.